Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you can click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Going to kick off the day fixing these mounting points. That one's loose, that's loose on this S70 rear door panel, so I can put that back on. I think I got all the pieces to it, and get this thing reinstalled on this car. I got one there, I got this one here, I got this one here, and it looks like that one there. Let me go get my contact cement and glue this thing together. Get this train rolling. Choo choo. I usually scrape all this green stuff off. Decided not to do it this time. Let's see how this stuff holds. That pressed on nice and tight. Man, I don't think you have to clean all this crap off like I used to. So that one over there pushed on real tight. I can't even move that thing. Let me get this one set in place. I'll set these in place and let you know how they feel. Every one of these clips are so tight I can pick the whole door panel up by it. So I'm going to call that good. Now I didn't realize my vinyl up here was loose, so I'm going to put some glue around there. Kicking off the day, I was gearing up to paint this porch today, and learned a few lessons on YouTube University last night. Evidently somewhere along the road, maybe in the past 10 years, this porch was resurfaced. That resurfacing didn't last as long maybe as it should have, and some of this stuff is flaking up, and I could do one of two things. I can just paint the porch and not worry about all this imperfection. Or I can, I guess, resurface this a little bit, patch it up a little bit, then paint it, and hope it stays. So that's what I think I'm going to do. So this is one of those rabbit holes you jump on and sink into. But I'm going to regroup and go get things I need to get to patch this porch up and then paint it. Hopefully it'll turn out better and last longer. So I'm off to do that. Go run some errands and take care of this stuff. So I'm going to see if servicing it a little bit will help. I have no idea why this stuff is off Panther. I had to get this stuff on here. When it's off, it just loses its proper shape and stuff. Imagine I gave that to somebody, but that's ridiculous. Fired it up, AC kicked on. But it is cycling, so I imagine it's a little low. So I'm going to go ahead and service it some. I got the settings right. Let me go ahead and hook it up. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.